Hey guys, NDS4IOS here. Today I'm going to show you how to get NDS4IOS 8.1.3, 8.2, and 8.3, and probably 8.4 when it comes out. So first one to do, I'm going to show you that I have it already, and it works perfectly fine. I don't have any rounds for it yet, but I'm going to delete vShare and this NDS4IOS. Alright, now what you want to do is go to Safari and go to vshare.com. Once you're there, click the download button for the unjailbroken version. If you're on iOS 8.1.3, 8.2, or 8.3, and just click download. And it's going to prompt you to install. Click install and back out and wait for it to install. Okay, so now that it's done installing, you want to go to vShare, click Trust when you open the app, and cancel this out. Go to search, type in NDS4IOS. Click search. It appeared fast for me. Now click download. And when you go to it, it should be almost done. It shouldn't take long at all. So once it's installed or download, it will prompt you to install to the home screen. Alright, click install. And once you click install, back out. And there it is. Hopes it worked, guys. For proof, I'm going to show you that I am on iOS 8.2. And it wants me to update to iOS 8.3. But I'm waiting for the iOS 8.2 jailbreak to come out. And I am on iOS 8.2, as you can see right there. So thank you guys for watching, and feel free to subscribe. This help, and see you later, guys. Peace out.